What's up, Planner Babes? It's your girl, Kayla KK, coming at you again with another planner video. We are in my everyday carry, which is a Hobonichi Weeks, which is inside of a Kiki K wallet. Yes, and we will be planning for the last week in the month of July. It is July 26th through August the 1st. So if you guys want to plan with me in my everyday carry, stay tuned. All right, Planner Babes, let's get into this. So this is the current week. I did not do a plan with me with that, but that is a Coffee Monsters Co. mini kit for the Hobonichi Weeks. And so this is the week that we are planning for. I haven't even planned this week in my catch-all, but we're gonna make it do what it do. We are using this beautiful kit right here from Plan Fantastic. Probably won't use it all, but first things first, let's lay down. Let's wash it. So how have you babes been doing? Can you believe it? August is upon us in just a couple of days. I swear, I just getting my planners together, you know, getting my system together that works for me, that I don't have to do a lot of freaking planning with. You know, I am loving the Hobonichi cousin effect as my catch-all. I plan my monthly, and then each week I plan my weekly out based on my monthly and new things added that I need to add in. And then each day I plan in the daily sections, but I haven't been using the dailies on Saturdays and Sundays because even though those are busy days, those are like just stuff around the house. I'm mainly using the daily sections for Monday through Friday. You know, making sure I get everything that I need to get around the house done. Plus, at work, usually on the weekends, I just have a large to-do list that is for both days, no specific day. Okay, so we got the base of the kit laid down. I'm gonna use these leftover dots, maybe. Yeah, these leftover dots to date this, and this is from Miss Biz Plan Kit. And I just felt the muted color went well with this kit from Plan Fantastic. That's one thing I like about the Miss Biz Plan Kits. She gives you full 31 days of date dots with every kit. So, you know, you'll have plenty different color of date dots. You don't have to buy any separate date dots for any of your planners because you'll have plenty left over. And this is just for the weekly. This wasn't for a monthly. All right, so we have those in there. So how I usually do this? I usually do my checklist. And this is usually stuff that I have to do outside of the house or like birthdays and things like that. If it's something for in the house, I don't do it. But if it's like grocery shopping, because I got to go out of the house to go grocery shopping, then it'll be in here. If it's a bill, it'll be in here. I don't necessarily have to go out of the house to pay a bill because I pay all of my bills online if they are not on auto pay. But I just like to see, you know, um, what money came out on any particular day. And see, if I go shopping, I write down what I spend. And then at the end of each week, I go in my budget planner and itemize everything. So, and I'm going to take one of these to-dos and just put it right there. I'm going to take this and put it on Wednesday because Wednesday is trash day. But yeah, so this week we don't have much going on this week. We got one bill due, 2 bills due, which we got 2 bill due stickers. One is due on the 28th and one is due on the 1st. And I'm see, nope, I didn't do lines on this week. So I'm not gonna add lines here. Yep, that's the bill that's due on the 1st. Bill due on the 28th. And see, I'm on vacation. I am getting ready to go on vacation this week. That's why I'm filming this ahead of time. But like, this is like typically what I had nothing out of the house this week. So you don't see much. And I didn't even plan for that week. So let's see what's on here. Check this weekend sticker and put it right there. This kit is super gorge. So yeah, I'm gonna take this. We're gonna put that on there. I'm gonna take this one. And pour recycle up. And place that right there. Put recycle at the top. This go around. So yeah. Oh. Let's see. Okay, so I went in and put my bills in and paid it in. And yeah, I think that's all that's going on this week. Oh, I don't know what I can put down. Let's see. Vacation, but I do need to put a line so I can track some spending because these are so long. I'm gonna use them as my point of reference. And I'm gonna use this black Energel cleaner, not black but brown one, because I don't want the line to be so harsh. So yeah. Do I have a spending sticker. I don't. So I'll just write spending up there. And that is pretty much it. I don't do much, as you can see from this week. Putting bills down there. Some things I'm be doing and any to-dos that I may have. Because like I say, this is carried as a purse. If I need to make a quick note or shopping list, I do that back here in the back and just scratch and scribble the things. So that is that. I have so much left out of this kit that I can do a whole nother spread. Yeah. So yeah, that's that. So oh, I know what I want to do. I'm gonna put this. No spending. And that's spending anything other than on bills. And that includes stuff for the house, food, etc. So yeah, so that is my spread. If you babes like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you are not a part of the KT Studio fan band, please hit that subscribe button. It really, really helps me and my channel out, as well as turn on your notification bell so that you know each and every time that I upload a video up and through here. And as always, my beautiful K-babes, peace.